Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacation very well. Okay, so let's start today's computer class. Today I'm going to start the new chapter of your book, chapter 6, and the chapter name is the keyboard. So, first of all, you need to understand what is the keyboard. So, as we have learned about different parts of computer in previous chapters, so the keyboard is also a very important part of computer. It is an input device which is used to give instructions or which is used to enter data into computer. Okay, so it helps us to enter information into the computer. Okay, so it is an input device and it is used to enter data into computer. Okay, so let's start reading the chapter. The keyboard is the most important part of computer. It helps us to enter information into computer. A standard computer keyboard has 104 keys. We can type numbers, words and characters by pressing these keys. And a keyboard has different set of keys. So this is what written in your book. And if you want to know the use of keyboard, so it is used for typing letters, numbers and different symbols also. So using keyboard we can do typing, we can enter data, we can enter information. So data and information we enter in the form of numbers, in the form of words, characters. Okay, so whenever you want to type anything, whenever you want to make any document, so we use keyboard for typing. Okay, and if we talk about the inventor of the keyboard, so in the fact file you all can see in your book also, Sir Christopher Latham Sholes, he is considered as the inventor of the keyboard layout. He is considered as the father of keyboard. Okay, and the keyboard, basically there are some other devices also on which we can see different kinds of keys, like on calculator you can see many keys on it, on Casio board you can see many keys on it. So the purpose of keys is different there. Like in calculator you will find only numeric keys, but in the computer keyboard we have different kinds of keys, including number keys. We have some alphabet keys and we have some other special keys also which are used for different purposes, and we have some other keys which are used to insert different kinds of symbols into computer. Okay, and the first 6 character of the first row of the alphabet key are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So the keyboard that we use, it is also called the QWERTY keyboard. It is called the QWERTY keyboard because the first 6 letter of alphabet keys make the word QWERTY. So that's why the keyboard that we use with computer is also known as the QWERTY keyboard. Okay, and in other fact file you can also see. Okay, about this we will discuss later about the types of keyboard. But as you all can see in this picture, you all can see there is a keyboard which is flexible. One hand is rolling the keyboard. So in this keyboard is water resistant and it is very flexible. We can roll it up and we can carry it easily with us. Okay, so that's what is given in your book in the fact files. Okay, so I hope the meaning of keyboard is clear to you. A keyboard is very important part of computer. It is an input device which is used to enter data into computer. Using keyboard we can type letters, we can type numbers, we can enter any kind of information using keyboard. Okay, and the keyboard that we use is called the QWERTY keyboard because the first 6 characters of the first row of the alphabet keys make the word QWERTY. Okay, so now let's talk about the keys on keyboard. So I hope you all have understood the use. Okay, the standard keyboard that we use, it has 104 keys on it, and keys are categorized on the basis of their used. On the basis of their use, the way we use the keys, these keys are categorized into some types. Okay, like first is alphabet keys. Okay, Basically there are 4 types of keys that we use: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, and function keys. Okay, so these 4 are the categories in which we have divided the keys, and some keys which comes in the category of special keys also, and separately we call them navigation keys also. Okay, so let's talk about all these types one by one. Okay, so today we will talk about alphabet keys only. Okay, so using keyboard, most the time we use the alphabet keys because keyboard is basically used for typing. Whenever you want to write anything, so we use English for typing anything, and for this purpose we use alphabet keys most. So as you all can see in this picture, these all are the alphabet keys, and as you all can see also, like here if you all can see these Q, W, E, R, T, Y, these 6 letters make the word QWERTY. That's why we call it QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so these all are the 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. These keys are not given in a sequence, these are not arranged in a sequence. The alphabet keys are starting from Q and ending on M. Okay, so the sequence is not as you have learned the ABCD, but from A to Z you will find all the alphabet keys here. Okay, so these 26 alphabet keys from A to Z are called alphabet keys. Okay, and these are not present in alphabetical order as I told you, and these keys are used to type words, sentences, or paragraphs, and the alphabet keys are placed in such a manner that a user can work fast. So basically these alphabets are arranged in such a way in which the user means the person who is using the computer or who is using the keyboard is called user. Okay, either it is you, it's me, or anyone else who is working on the system. Okay, so user can type fastly, so that's why this format is given. Okay, that's why all these alphabets are not arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all for today. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about some other kinds of keys. Okay, so read the chapter and revise whatever we have learned today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.